Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel called The Supreme Concept. And today is our 12th class. We have already covered 11 classes there, and if you haven't watched those previous tutorials, you can check them out through the playlist named Common Errors from Kiran's chapter. We're actually running a 1200 plus series. Okay, so let us begin. Question number 166. We have already covered 165 questions in our previous classes. So we will continue with question number 166. So this question says, a variety of pleasant items in the shop attract everybody. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this question. Yes, yeah, absolutely. There is no error in this sentence. It is absolutely error free. The table's legs have been elaborately carved. So find out your answer in this question. Yes, yeah, error lies in part number 1. Instead of table's legs, we will use the legs of the table. The legs of the table. Okay, because apostrophe, we use apostrophe s to show positions. Okay, and it is not used with the non-living things. So we will use the legs of the table. Okay, and carved means to giving shape to something. The sceneries of Kashmir is very charming. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this question. Yes, error lies in part 1. There is no word like sceneries. Okay, it should be scenery. S-C-E-N-E-R-Y. S-C-E-N-E-R-Y. Okay, scenery. Because it has no plural form, and plural form of a scenery is actually scenery. Okay, so both plural and singular. I would appreciate if readers would write to me about how they meditate. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this question. Yes, you're right. Here error lies in part number 2. Use of would would be superfluous. So we will use write to me. Okay, simply write to me. I would appreciate if readers write to me about how they meditate is the correct answer here. Neither of the two children said their prayer before going to bed. Now find out where the error lies in this question. Yes, yeah, there is no error in the sentence. It is absolutely error free. I sat down opposite him and produced the packet of cigarettes. Now find out where the error lies. Yes, error lies in part number 3. We will not use definite article the here. We will use a. Okay, so a packet of cigarettes will be our correct answer here. This happened just exactly 5 years ago. So find out where the error lies. Yes, yeah, error lies in part number 2. We cannot use just and exactly both in the same sentence together. So we will have to remove just or exactly, or we can use either one of them. Okay, so we can remove just. This happened exactly 5 years ago, or we can remove exactly. That way it will be like this happened just 5 years ago. Okay. Ramesh smiled when he was remembering his hard early years and his long road to success. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this sentence. Yes, error lies in part number 1. So when he remembered, actually it should be when he remembered, not remembering. Okay, when he remembered his hard early years and his long road to success. Because you know Remembering means remembering is something, it is in progressive tense, but remember is basically not used in progressive tense. It is a kind of stative verb, so we will use remembered, not remembering. Question number 174. Good heavens, how has she grown? Yes, yeah. Option number 2. She realized in option number 2. It would be how she has. Okay. Instead of how has she, it would be how she has, because we are not questioning here. This question, this sentence is based on exclamation. That means the sentence is basically exclamatory sentence. Okay. So basically we will use how, and then adjective or adverb. Okay, then subject, then verb. Okay, so this would be a pattern. Question number 175. The doctor advised Mr. Murugan that because of his severe cramps he should lay in the bed for a few days. Now find out where the error lies in the sentence. Yes, you're correct. Error lies in part number 3. Instead of lay, this one we will use lie. Okay, lie will replace lay because should is a modal verb. Okay, here we can say should is a more modal verb, and with modal verb we will use let me write it for you. This is the pattern actually: subject, then any auxiliary verb or modal verb. Basically auxiliary contains both modal verbs and helping verbs. Anyways, so subject plus modal verb and then main verb basically in the base form. Okay, that is the first form. He is a university professor, but of his 3 sons neither has any merit. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this question. Yes, error lies in part 3. Instead of neither we will use none. Okay, after knowing truth they took the right decision in the matter. Now find out where the error lies in this sentence. Yes, error lies in part number 1. So we will use after knowing the truth. Okay, not simply truth, we will use the truth. Okay, definite article the will be used because it is used before truth, or like whenever we share something definite, so we will use definite article the in this scenario. It is time you decide on your next course of action. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this sentence. Yes, yeah, error lies in part number 2, so it should be decided, not only decide. It should be decided. Okay, it is time you decided on your next course of action. So decided is the correct answer here. So let us move. He who has suffered the most for the cause, let him speak. Now find out where exactly the error lies in the sentence. Yes, yeah, error lies in part number 3. So instead of let him speak, we will use should. Yes, should be allowed. Should be allowed to. Okay, we will use should be allowed to instead of let him speak. Let him speak shows that it is an active voice, but this sentence will be framed in passive voice, so we will use a passive format of let him speak, that is should be allowed to, and this would be our perfect answer for this question. Question number 180. A cup of coffee is an excellent complement to smoked salmon. Now find out where exactly the error lies in this question. Yes, yeah, there is no error. This sentence is absolutely error free. That was it for today's lesson, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe us and also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in the next tutorials. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.